It's Glow Week in the art room this week, and so I have a super creepy and fun project for us to do today. At your table, you're going to see some glowing neon paints, our water, brushes, Sharpies, and a few templates to share. The first thing we're going to do together is take turns with our templates. The largest circle doesn't fit exactly on our books, but we'll make it work for today. Have one hand hold the template still, and the other hand is going to trace the circle. The next thing you're going to do is grab the medium-sized circle. You can position it really wherever. You're going to see how that affects the drawing here in a little bit. And then the last circle really needs to go in the center of that one. All right, we are making eyeballs today. So this is the pupil of the eyeball. It's the part that is black. With your Sharpie, we are going to make kind of a half moon shape or half circle shape here. And then we're gonna divide that into 3 sections. Okay, now we're gonna take our Sharpie and fill this part in. And then I like to come back with my Sharpie and just kind of round those shapes a little bit. Awesome, it's already looking like an eyeball. The next thing we're gonna do with your paintbrushes today is use our glow paints. You can use a mixture of the paints. We have 2 different brands here. These are not out of paint, they just need to be woken back up with water, friends. So add water to where we can still see the tempera cake. I think I like the white ones better than the black ones personally. And what we want to do is make this inner circle kind of blend the colors together. So watch first, just kind of letting those blend together. If you get a little bit over your black pupil, that's fine, but try not to get it in those shiny spots. Awesome. This has to dry for a second, so we're probably taking a dance break. All right, before we move on to the next step, we need to really just make sure there are no puddles because we're going to go back over the top of this color of the iris of the eye with our Sharpies. If you have wet spots or puddles, it will ruin the Sharpie, so we really don't want that. Go ahead and give it a little fan or another minute. So the next step that we're gonna do is we're gonna be drawing some spiraling lines, and this is gonna give the illusion of the roundness of this eye. So watch first. Okay, and I need to turn my page. Starting to look like an eyeball now. The next touch that we're gonna add are from some of our oil pastels or our crayons. So we're gonna add some lines to those eyeballs. For this outside edge, and just kind of add that in. And I'm making my lines go in a circle. let's add some veins in. I'm just adding some of our black oil pastel. It's not gonna glow. And if we do some shading here where it's dark towards the outside edge, and then it gets lighter in the middle. So I need to press lighter with my hand. And again, you have to do this when the paper is dry. It's gonna give a little bit more of that illusion that it's a round eyeball.